Stop chasing women. Make them work for your attention. Qualifying a woman is one of the most powerful tools in seduction. It separates you from the average guy who seeks validation and flips the script. You become the one evaluating her. This keeps the interaction exciting, builds tension, and ensures she sees you as a high-value man. Seduction isn't just about attraction. It's about setting the right frame, filtering for the right energy, and ensuring that the woman you're engaging with is actually worth your time. Qualification is the art of making her prove herself to you, rather than just you trying to impress her. When a woman qualifies herself to you, she's subconsciously investing in the interaction, which increases her attraction. But how do you qualify a woman effectively and naturally? Let's break it down. The power of qualification. Why it works. Most men try to impress women, seeking approval and validation. This is backward. A confident, high-value man knows he is the prize and challenges the woman to prove she's worthy of his time. When a woman qualifies herself to you, she subconsciously views you as valuable. She wants to meet your standards and prove she's someone worth chasing. The key is to structure your conversation so she invests in the interaction rather than just responding passively. A qualifier is a statement or a question that challenges her to prove her value to you. You are subtly framing the conversation in a way that makes her feel like she has to earn your interest. Instead of trying to impress her, you make her prove she meets your standards. The key? Make her qualify herself without making it obvious that you're testing her. How to do this? Using a qualifier, the old school classic. One of the simplest and most effective ways to qualify a woman is by using a qualifier question, a challenge that requires her to prove herself to you. Unlike open-ended questions that let her dictate the conversation, a qualifier subtly puts you in control. For example, if you are testing for adventurousness, let's say you're talking about travel or experiences.
I can't stand people who are boring and routine. Are you adventurous? Challenging her, setting a standard.
Yes, I love adventure. I've traveled to 5 different countries this year. She is qualifying to you, proving she meets your standard.
That's awesome. I love people who embrace life to the fullest. Now, you're qualifying her back, reinforcing the attraction.
This simple exchange creates a dynamic where she wants your approval rather than you seeking hers. Another example 2. Testing for spontaneity. Let's say you're talking about life experiences.
I love spontaneous women. Are you spontaneous?
Qualifying her. Notice how you're making her prove something to you. Oh yes, I once booked a last-minute trip to Mexico just because I felt like it. She's proving she meets your standard.
Really? What's the craziest thing you've done on impulse?
Reinforcing the qualification, making her invest more in the conversation. This works because it subtly creates an expectation. If she's not spontaneous, she might not be good enough for you. Want to increase the intrigue? Add a playful challenge to your qualifier. Adding a challenge to build tension. Qualification is most effective when combined with a slight challenge. Women enjoy proving themselves when it's playful and engaging. Example 3. Testing for weird and wild personality.
I like it when things are a bit weird and wild. Are you into that?
Yeah, I love doing fun, unexpected things.
Okay, what's the wildest thing you've ever done? Pushing her to prove it.
One time, I went skinny dipping in a random rooftop pool at 3 a.m.
Not bad, but I was expecting something crazier. You might need to step up your game.
Playfully challenging her, keeping her engaged. Notice how this flips the usual dynamic? You're not trying to win her over, she's trying to impress you. This is how you keep the interaction fun, teasing, and unpredictable. What if she disqualifies herself? Sometimes, a woman may disqualify herself by saying no to a qualifier. This isn't the end of the world, it's an opportunity to pivot. If she doesn't immediately qualify, don't just accept it. Use disqualification to create a push-pull dynamic. Disqualifying her slightly can trigger her to work harder to win you over. For example,
I love women who can be wild and unpredictable. Are you that type?
Not really. I like to plan things out.
I get it. You're one of those who plays it safe. That's cute. I usually vibe more with free spirits, but maybe you'll surprise me.
At this moment, she has 2 choices. 1, accept the disqualification, or 2, try to prove you wrong. If she tries to prove you wrong, boom, you've got her qualifying to you. She might say, depends, are you ready to handle it? I have my wild side, but only for a man who knows how to handle it. See how that works? You just created investment by making her feel like she needs to show you she's different. This is the foundation of playful tension. This forces her to prove you wrong. If she wants your validation, she'll try to requalify herself by showing a different side of her personality. Qualifying through storytelling. Let her step into your world. Instead of asking direct questions, you can also qualify her by telling a story that sets a standard and seeing how she reacts. Example.
I was in Thailand last summer, and I met this girl who booked a midnight boat ride with me just for the adventure. That's the kind of spontaneous energy I vibe with. Do you ever do things like that? Observe her reaction. If she matches the energy, she's qualifying herself. If she seems unimpressed or distant, she may not be a good fit for your vibe. By painting a picture of what kind of women you naturally attract, you're subtly creating a challenge. Does she measure up?
Escalating qualification. The deep dive. Once she starts qualifying herself, don't stop there. Dig deeper to build emotional investment. Example.
You say you're spontaneous. What's something you've done on impulse that you didn't regret?
I once jumped on a plane to Paris for the weekend just because I felt like it.
Damn, now that's the kind of energy I like. This makes her feel special. She's proving herself, and you're rewarding her for it. Keep peeling back layers to create emotional connection.
Screening for red flags. Does she deserve you? Qualification isn't just about attraction, it's also about making sure she's a good match for your lifestyle. Look for red flags or things that might not align with what you want. Example.
I love women who have their own thing going on. What's something you're passionate about? Response 1.
I'm really into photography. I love capturing emotions in the moment. This is a green flag. She has depth and passion. Response 2. I don't really have hobbies. I just go out and party. Lack of ambition or depth, a red flag. You now have a clearer picture of whether she fits into your life or not. Remember, you are the prize. You should be qualifying her, not the other way around. The golden rule, don't overqualify. While qualification is powerful, don't go overboard. If she's not qualifying at all, stop trying. A woman who refuses to qualify likely doesn't see you as someone she needs to impress. In that case, disengage and move on. Your time is valuable. Only engage with women who are willing to invest in the interaction. Final thoughts. Qualification is one of the easiest ways to shift the power dynamic in seduction. Instead of chasing a woman's approval, you set the frame where she proves herself to you. When done right, it creates an engaging, fun, and flirtatious exchange that naturally builds attraction. Next time you're talking to a woman, remember, you are the prize. Make her earn your attention. Qualifying a woman does 3 powerful things. It makes her chase you. It makes her invest in the interaction, increasing attraction. It helps you filter for high-value women that match your lifestyle. Next time you're seducing a woman, don't just seek her validation. Make her work for yours. That's the real key to effortless attraction. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop.